Hi there! Did you know that you can create CMYK files in Canva for printing purposes? Let me show you how. To do this, you'll need Canva Pro. When working with colors in Canva, note that you can find the hex code for any color you want to use. You can remember this code for your CMYK colors. To export a CMYK file, such as a PDF for printing, go to the Share option, then Download it, and choose the file type as PDF for print. Under Color Profile, select CMYK instead of RGB. This feature is available in Canva Pro. Save your download settings if needed, then simply download the file. That's all. Happy designing!